Transport is an essential part of life, the backbone of any economy, the difference between here and there. Your goods need to make their way across deep seas, along rough roads, and through the most difficult conditions. Secured in tankers and containers, they have to pass obstacles, overcome challenges, and arrive safely at their destinations, day in, day out. Reliable vehicles are indispensable. Efficiency and innovation make the difference. Enter LAG Trailers, one of Europe's leading and most reliable manufacturers of liquid and powder tankers. Located in Belgium, the Netherlands, and Poland, the LAG Group keeps Europe moving with specialized after-sale services and know-how. What began in a blacksmith's workshop is now a recognized semi-trailer giant fueled by more than 500 committed employees. LAG began focusing on the construction of tankers in the 1950s. Today, the company offers a wide portfolio of tank semi-trailers and intermodal solutions. Liquid tankers for the transport of fuel, chemicals, and foodstuffs. Powder tankers and containers for dry bulk, powders, and cement. And even container chassis for transporting and tipping all kinds of containers. LAG strives to maximize its quality, efficiency, and production capacity to even higher levels to meet the customer's expectations. LAG invests heavily to meet these expectations, from new paint shops and fully automated welding robots to stroked welding and assembly lines. Our innovations in internal logistics keep us at the cutting edge of the European tanker market. The LAG brand is supported by its mother company, CIMC Vehicles, a stock-listed company and the world's largest manufacturer of semi-trailers and truck bodies. They follow the philosophy, think global, act local. LAG has also updated their product designs, implementing a modular manufacturing philosophy, making the most of 75 years of experience and insight. It allows us to implement a global supply strategy with a minimal number of different parts. Today, we serve the market with short lead times on high-quality products at competitive prices. Transport is not just about today, but tomorrow as well. It's about long-term reliability and sustainability. From the first pencil sketches to after-service needs, LAG works closely with customers to meet their every demand. The company offers an international service network, carefully selected on the basis of know-how and experience in the tanker business. No matter when, no matter what, no matter where, the LAG Group combines ingenuity with efficiency, quality, and long-term performance. Reliable, no matter where.